So welcome back. We are done with learning how to hold the notes in the key of or the chords in the key of C, the C, F, and then G. Today we are going to learn how to strum, and the pattern that we are going to be using is down, up, up, down. Yes, it is down, up, up, down. And this strumming pattern can be used in playing many songs. Yeah, many songs. Or even you can play it freestyle. You can just yes, you can hear it is very simple. And so when you are playing this pattern, you first hold the chord, that is the C, and then you now start strumming down, up, up, down, and then you shift to the next chord, that is F, and then you go back to C, and then you finish with G. Yes, so for example, when you are playing a song like Usinipite Mwokozi, unisikie, unapozuru wengine, usinipite. Yes, if you have any question on how to strum, or if you have any question on how to hold the chords C, F, and G, please consider commenting. Leave that question in the comment section, and I will get to it. And if you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and share.